List of interior design features required for well-certified project concept stage.
Workplace zones plans provide differing degrees of sensory engagement in appropriate zones for seating and spatial layouts for job satisfaction and group cohesiveness. Promotion of staircases improve cardiorespiratory fitness and reduce sedentary tendencies. Incorporation of water bodies. One water feature in buildings. Features for positive mood and moral, to improve occupant mood and joy from the surrounding. Adequate sunlight. Direct exposure to sunlight can damage your retinas, and too much sun over time can lead to macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts.